you guys know, I already previously wrapped up my roof, and I had some leftover vinyl from the edges of the roof vinyl. So I'm going to go ahead and attempt to practice some more vinyling, and I'm going to wrap my side mirrors and see how they turn out. If I like it, I'll order some new vinyl. That way it's not all beat up looking, and it'll look actually good, and I know what I'm doing for next time. So I'm going to go ahead and throw a little time lapse in, and I'll show you guys the finished product. As you can see, there are imperfections on this. Alright, I didn't take this off, I just kind of did it as is, and I was cutting around. But not too bad, honestly. There's the roof. And here's the other side. As you can tell, man, this side's really messed up, but I just want to get a good overview on what it would look like if I did do it, and it looks like a plus. So I'm going to probably go ahead and I'll either re-vinyl it, or I may take them off and paint them gloss black. So let me know down in the comments below, should I rewrap it, or should I just take off the housing itself and go ahead and spray paint them black, because I don't intend on keeping them the mercury gray color it is. So yeah, let me know your feedback down in the comments below, and I'll see what I can do. So other than that, I'll say thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.